Right guys, I'm going to try the parrot kite. I haven't been able to get it to fly yet. Several attempts, everyone's a fail.
Don't dig too deep in there. That's Grandad.
Finally worked out the problem, guys. It's missing a spar across the back. I've just picked up a twig on the beach and we'll give that a try.
Head feathers need feathering. This is a twig. This is not the twig that he used. This is my twig. My twig is old.
Bit unbalanced, but I wanted to go to the left under power, so I had to loosen it.
All that time you've been testing it without.
Well, just about every time we've been out, the wind's dropped, so you haven't had a chance to actually figure out what's wrong.
I said listen to the name.
Loose, yeah.
I was kind of...
Well, I think the point was it was flying like that, so I don't think I'll worry about it.